Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Digital Engineering Technology, Nagar, Bandar East. Our today's topic is comprehension in it, Save Yourself. Course outcome, summarize the comprehension passage, writing skill, answer the given question of specified questions. Format a sentences using the given new words. Use correct syntax or correct construct meaningful sentences for using a given situation. Answer the question on given unseen passage. Speaking skill. Pronounce the word correctly in a given passage. Next, give oral instruction with correct pronunciation and intonation for given situation. Next, answer the question orally on given unseen passage with correct pronunciation. These are the learning outcomes student will achieve after completion of this topic. So students, save yourself. How you can save yourself by following some safety or preventive measures while driving or riding. It is important to follow some safety rules and regulations. We just neglecting all these things, or we are hesitate to wearing helmet. Okay, just saying by I just go a few away from my home or from nearby my home, etc. and avoid by wearing helmet, and it has a lot of cost. Your family will pay for it. Okay. If we are following some safety rules, safety norms, obviously we will save our life and enjoy with our family. Here are some question and answers. Okay, in it we will see how one family is getting disturbed due to a small kind of accident, and they are shedding their tears in your whole life. So, express your view, ideas on road safety. Road safety refer to the method or measure used by the prevent road user from being killed, serious injured. In today's world, road transport from has become an integral part of every human being. Everybody is the road user on the shape or the other. The present transport system has minimized the distance with it has on other hand increased the life tax. Every year road crashes lack of lives. We should follow all following rules and be safety roads. The following come across instructional hoarding which say that don't drink and don't drive. Number second, wear seat belt and driving. Number 3, don't horn unnecessarily. Number 4, drive a car or other vehicle with 40 kilometers. Red light jumping is an offense. Wait at zebra crossing to cross the road. Two-wheeler rider should wear helmet always. Don't use mobile phone while driving. Such are the messages we are watching and reading everywhere, but still we are neglecting all these safety measures. State the reason of youngster are reluctant on wearing helmet. Some youngsters don't like to wear helmet. They think it is the headache to carry with them. Helmet give them tunnel vision and restrict the movement of their head. They lose their sense of surrounding traffic. Whenever they wear helmet, head sweat and because of their hair get spoiled. They think wearing helmet is not adventurous journey. Summarize your view on Anish's father on wearing helmet. Answer: Anish's father always used to insist him to wear helmet whenever he ride on bike. But Anish used to argue his father traveling only a short distance. He convinced him that accident can occur even we can travel a short distance too, and there is a maximum chance of head injury. Whenever we wear helmet or he wear helmet, his head sweat because of it or because of which his hair gets spoiled. But because of he didn't wear helmet, not his head itself gets spoiled. His life got spoiled. Means the small mistake is cause of the death of your life or losing everything in your life. Said the importance of need of wearing helmet. Riding a motorcycle gives rider a sense of freedom on the open head or open road. However, there are the serious dangerous involvement or involved in riding without helmet. A motorcycle does not provide the structural protection that a car does not keep drive safe in the event of accident. Motorcyclists need to take extra precaution to protect their body. The most important place to start is the protecting the head by wearing helmet. The head and the brain is the most vulnerable to injury in a motorcycle accident. Driver, passenger wearing helmet increase their chances of survival or significance over the helmet wearer. In 2012, the National Highway Authority or Traffic Safety Administration estimated 1,699 lives were saved because of individual over helmet. It is important for motorcyclists to understand the risks of riding without helmet. Riders who do not wear helmet are at the risk of suffering traumatic brain injury if they are in the accident without protection. The head is vulnerable to the traumatic impact and in an accident even when the traveling a lot of or a low speed also. Describe the memory that the dreadful night in the mind of Anish's fathers. When Anish's father became or come to know about his son Anish's accident, he quickly went to the accident spot. After the accident, Anish was laying unconscious on the road. The bike was on other side on the road. His father took him to the nearby hospital. There was urgency in the voice of the nurse sent by the doctor to call him. He felt the surgery of an anxiety. He entered the doctor's cabin. The doctor told his father that Anish's brain had been severely injured. He would be collapsed in a couple of hours. However, he was not ready to accept that. So he shifted Anish immediately on Reading Hospital. The neurosurgeon there was examined him and accident to go for the surgery. They decided to go for surgery. Although he was waited outside the operation theatre at 2:30 a.m. at midnight, weeping continuously while thought, like in what state is going to be after the surgery. Is he will be alive? If he is going to be normal, will he ever speak again? Is he going to walk? Will he have used the wheelchair? Ran in his such types of question comes or ran in his mind again and again. After the surgery, doctor told him that in a scale of 1 to 15, there is a normal person would be rated 15. Anish could be rated only 3. He was then shifted to the special room with 24-hour special nurse under observation of nurse to take care of him. Tube was inserted into his body to aid reaching, feeding and urination. The right side of the skull was cut open and kept his abdomen to future use. The only movement of his body were that of his head, which moved right and left. His eyeball also moving. He was thinking why that plight had befallen on his son. Describe the tragedy of Anish after accident. Anish's brain had got severe injury. Doctor operated him. He was shifted in a special room. The tube was inserted in his body and aid breathing, feeding and urination. The right side of skull cut open and kept in his abdomen for future use. His only a head moving and eyeball also moving from right to left. The entire body was unconscious. Hands and legs were numb. His nose turned into his house turned into the special hospital. All of the medical apparatus were installed in his house or in that room. Whole year were passed in a bed. Anish's condition remained unchanged. Every day, all relatives were talking to him loudly, hold his hand and playing his favorite music. All kinds of technique tricks were operated, but it is all vain or spoiled. When a day Anish had a problem with his urocatheters, they rushed into the hospital. There he developed a breathing difficulty and collapsed. His painful life became or come to an end. Now, such a tragic story of Anish end with his death. Only he following the instruction of his father of wearing helmet, but he neglecting wearing helmet because of the sweat comes and his hair getting spoiled. If he save his life rather than his hair, so today his or life or his is in with us, or he save his life, or other he will with his enjoying with his family. Okay, so I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you very much.